Okay.
Morning, Supervisors. Thank you for allowing us to speak this morning. I will read my statement. According to the California Emergency Services Act, ESA, Section 8558B, a state of emergency can only be called if the threat overwhelms the current resources of the state. According to the California.gov website last night, Riverside County has 73,867 hospital beds with a population of approximately 2,026,803 people. Only 131 beds currently occupied with COVID patients. That accounts for only 0.17 of Riverside County hospital beds being used and only 4.5 of ICU beds that are currently being used. This does not pose a threat that is overwhelming the capabilities of California's health practitioners. Therefore, COVID-19 cannot lawfully be classified as an epidemic. Therefore, our state resources are not overwhelmed. Therefore, the state of emergency that should have been terminated according to California law, which states at the earliest possible date that conditions warrant. Thus, according to California law, the grounds for the state of emergency do not exist, and therefore the current state of emergency in California is invalid and unlawful. There is no threat of an epidemic that overwhelms the resources of the state, and therefore, according to the Emergency Services Act, as I cited, there are no grounds for a state of emergency in California. According to the Riverside County Public Health Office last night, based on the total confirmed cases, there is a 91.4% recovery rate to date. The death rate is only 2%. This does not substantiate legitimacy to a public health emergency, closing, shutdown, or face masks of any kind. It is on this basis and evidence that the opening of all schools and businesses in Riverside County should take place immediately and without reservation or limitation, whatsoever, on businesses and residents of Riverside County, including abolishing the requirement of face masks. Please check your email, as my son, Levi Malara, has emailed you with a very thoughtful student's written request to open the county schools. Thank you.
Thank you for your testimony.